Hi guys, the day has finally come. I'm putting together my trunk or treat today. This is my very first trunk or treat experience. I've never done this before, but I'm very excited because I love this theme. I love K-pop Demon Hunters. I'm obsessed with the songs, and I know roughly 50% of neighborhood kids are too. So I hope they enjoy it. So let's see what I can make out of it.
Quiet, they usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them. Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me. We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time.
The tinsel curtains are supposed to represent the Honmoon. So I actually didn't have much time to decorate today. I only had about like half an hour to set it all up, and then I had to disassemble it all because I had to go somewhere using my car. And so on the day of the actual trunk or treat, I'm gonna take my time and really organize the tinsel so that it kind of looks like the golden full moon.
One thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.
I also only used half of my lights, so there's gonna be more lights on the day off.
I'm here now, 'cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join it, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.
So this is kind of what it's gonna look like in the dark. The trunk or treat starts after 6 p.m. so it's gonna be dark already. With more lights, I'm hoping that all the demons are gonna pop up more, and I'm also gonna put more golden lights behind the poster so it kind of shines from within. And I really love the food accent, so I hit H Mart and I found some of the branded ramyun packs, and I also found the ramyun packs that like are cups, but I did not find the ones that look exactly like in the movie, so I just printed out the girls' names. I looked up what it says. For Rumi, it says superstar flavor, for Mira, spicy queen, and for Zoe, for some reason, it says hamburger. Well, I guess she's American, but that's a weird weird word to use, but okay. Anyways, I just printed out those names, and then I used the girls' stickers to signify that it belongs to them, and then these are the branded packs that I found. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my K-pop Demon Hunters trunk or treat. I'm very excited to see the kids' reactions, and I hope they love it. Happy Halloween!